Hi, my name is Nick Schaefer. I'm the Director of Career Development at Gwinnett Mercy University. Welcome to today's employer meet and greet. We are excited to have Rob from Elite Home Healthcare, who will be discussing general information about the organization and possible future job opportunities. Welcome, Rob.
Thank you, Nick. It's nice to be here.
Rob, can you start out by telling us a little bit about the organization?
Sure. I'm excited to join you today to talk about Elite Home Healthcare. In one of my previous positions, I ran a social work staffing company and worked a lot with Gwinnett BSWs, bachelors in social work, to help find them jobs. So now that I'm working with Elite Home Healthcare as a recruiter to help prepare you for your next adventure, I'm very excited to be able to come back and speak with Gwinnett. Elite Home Healthcare provides compassionate and dependable medical and non-medical home health care services throughout Pennsylvania. Through our quality care, we help our clients with the medical and physical and emotional strain that comes when home health care is needed most. We are dedicated to providing services for both adults and children. We support people with intellectual disabilities in individual and group settings, and those who have sustained traumatic brain injuries. Here at Elite, we provide quality shift care and support to our patients and families. Our staff have varied experience with patients and their specific needs. We strive to foster an environment for understanding and cultural competence. Elite believes in empowerment through education, training, and support for both staff and families. Elite is owned by and operated by an RN who has been in business since 2008, and the business is run really as a family. We have 0 deficiencies on our state survey, and we are joint commissioned. The pay for our pediatric home care is above average, and we provide services for pediatric and adults with disabilities. We even deliver fresh-made meals throughout the region.
Thank you, Rob. That's some great information. And students, you can also get more information on Elite Home Healthcare. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the website. So please check that out as well. Rob, what are some job opportunities available for students or alumni?
So we have a number of different types of positions. We have positions for example, students who are going through the program, we could employ as home health aides. We have licensed practical nurse positions. We have RN positions, of course, and the RNs are responsible for planning and coordinating and documenting the skilled professional nursing care for each caseload that they carry from admission to discharge. We also have several RN supervisor positions.
Great, thank you. What do you look for in candidates as far as skills and traits?
Well, better care starts with you, with the student, with the alumni, with the staff member. And so we look for hard skills and soft skills. So for hard skills, which are like trach and vent experience, NG, JG tube experience, ostomy and cath care experience, these are things that can be learned. The things that are the soft skills can also be learned, but it's great if you come with it, which is the ability to communicate well, be compassionate, have patience, flexibility, and adaptability, and emotional availability to your clients. We look for people who are proactive, ethical, and responsible, and responsive to patient needs. We look for people who are team player, have a strong work ethic, and are good at time management.
Great. Thank you for that insight, Rob. Similar to that, what do you look for on resumes? What stands out to you when a candidate applies for a position?
So there are a couple things that are nitpicky, and then some things that are, I think, really important. So the nitpicky things are, on the resume, I always like it if there's a job title of what you're either doing now or you're looking for. And you can have that under the subheading of your name if you'd like. I always like to have a LinkedIn profile. It's always nice to see in another form people's information. And then a nitpicky thing is your email address should be a professional email address and not one that you share with family and friends, because oftentimes they're cutesy names and we really want to promote a professional exchange. The other things I look for that are important are the demonstrated ability to show that you have some raw skills. Everybody comes to a new position with raw skills, whether it's having worked as a babysitter, whether it's having worked as a home health aide, whether it's worked as an LPN in previous life and you're looking to get into another position. The raw skills that you come with are the skills that we can work with to help you learn the hard skills.
Great, thank you. And students who are watching this, please utilize your Career Development Center. We can assist you with your resume and your LinkedIn profile as well. Rob, what is the interview process like for candidates?
So the easiest way is to connect with me either by phone or email. You can send your resume directly to me, and then I will reach out to you. And I'm often persistent about it, trying to reach people. And once I reach you, we'll have a little discussion about what you're looking for. I'll take some basic information, and then I'll forward your information on to the office. The office will, and I will schedule your first interview, which will be in the Jenkintown office. And at that point, you'll interview with Michelle Lar, and you'll complete paperwork at that location. Once the paperwork is complete, then we can work with you around assigning a case and finding out what shift you're interested in and a little bit more detail about that. And that gets moved to a different department. So we've really streamlined the process, and we want to get you working as quick as possible. Sometimes paperwork is the thing that slows us down, but it's important to have everything in place before we can assign a case to you.
Great. And students, once again, contact us in Career Development, and we can do a practice interview with you and help prepare you for an interview as well. Rob, last question. How do students and candidates find additional information and apply for jobs at Elite Home Healthcare?
You can go to www.elitehome.care, which is our website, or email me directly, and it's on screen at rplotkin.elitehhc@gmail.com. Those are two ways to reach us.
Great. And for other employer meet and greets, please check out our YouTube page, the Career Development YouTube page. Thanks again, Rob, for your time. We greatly appreciate it.
Thank you very much. Good luck, everybody.